Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I've done several videos on these two buttons of your keyboard. When you're drawing a square, basically with a rectangle tool, you get this. But if you hold down the control button, it makes it a perfect square. You can even, do things and make it certain length and then hit the control button to make a perfect square. Now, if you want to make it smaller, get the two-sided arrow, holding down the shift key, and it'll make it grow from the inside out. Now, the other thing you can do with this, I'm going to hold down the shift again and make it bigger. You can get the rectangle tool and put it right there on that node. Hold down the shift and the control button, and it'll make it grow from the center and be a perfect square. So you could go along and just keep making rectangles after rectangles that are out of the same exact part of the square. And then as always, you could take all this and select it and weld it together and you get that shape. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.